Finding a quiet place and taking a comfortable seat, eyes closed. Rolling your shoulders back onto your body, bringing your awareness to your breath. Breathing in deeply, exhale out of your mouth. Another full deep inhale and exhale. Breathing in, feeling the lungs, and as you exhale, soften your shoulders down. Relaxing the muscles in your face. Perhaps wiggling the jaw, releasing any tension. Relaxing your neck and shoulders. We'll be using the 3-part breath. As you inhale, you'll fill the low belly with air, diaphragm rising up to the chest. Exhale, the air will go through the chest, down through the diaphragm, and out of the low belly. As you work this 3-part breath, visualize a bright light starting at the root of the belly and rising up with your breath to the throat and back down to the low belly again. Exhale fully. Inhale, fill the low belly, diaphragm, chest. Exhale through the diaphragm and the low belly. Inhale, that light is lifting up through the diaphragm and the chest. Exhale, the light lowers through the chest, diaphragm, and belly. One more. Breathing in, the light moves up all the way to the chest. Exhale, the light moves back down through the diaphragm into the low belly. Slowly awaking your body out of this meditation by wiggling your fingers and toes. May the sense of peace and happiness continue through the rest of your day.